Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and blend of AI. Unleash the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, where cutting-edge tech meets AI brilliance. Brace yourself for mind-blowing features that redefine smartphone innovation. Prepare to be amazed by the fusion of the Galaxy S24 Ultra and limitless AI potential. Keep watching. The best is yet to come. First up is communication, one of the most fundamental uses of our smartphones. With the S24, Samsung is taking communication to an entirely new level through features like Live Translate. Now, you'll be able to have fluid conversations with friends overseas without any language barriers getting in the way. The phone can translate calls and texts in real time between dozens of languages, all completely privately and without needing third-party apps. Interpreter mode provides a split-screen view for in-person conversations so both parties can see translations of what the other is saying. Best of all, it works even without an internet connection. Whether traveling abroad or just chatting with multilingual coworkers, language will no longer limit your interactions. AI is also enhancing our on-device typing experience. The new Samsung keyboard can instantly translate messages between 13 languages as you type. For in-car communication, Android Auto will read incoming texts aloud and suggest quick replies so you can stay focused on the road. The organization gets a boost too, with new Note Assist features in Samsung Notes. AI can generate summaries of your notes, create templates to structure future notes, and generate covers to identify them easily. Plus, with Transcript Assist, AI can transcribe, summarize, and even translate your voice recordings. Perfect for meetings and classes. But communication is just the beginning. With the next generation Galaxy AI, Samsung is taking the smartphone's abilities way beyond. A case in point is the revolutionary new circle to search gesture. With a long press of the home button, you can now highlight or circle anything on your S24 screen to instantly search for it using Google, without ever leaving the app you're in. See a landmark in the background of an Instagram photo. Circle it to learn more. Spot an interesting fact on YouTube, highlight it, and get deep search results without interrupting your video. It's incredibly intuitive and opens up entirely new dimensions of online discovery. And before we move on, just a friendly reminder, be sure to smash that like button if you're into what you've heard so far. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you can join us for all the latest tech scoops. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get back to the good stuff. Regarding creativity, the S24 series takes things to another level entirely with Samsung's new ProVisual engine. This suite of AI-powered camera tools transforms your imaging abilities from capture to edit. The Galaxy S24 Ultra leads the way with an upgraded 50MP main sensor and a new 5x optical telephoto lens for stunning clarity even at high zoom levels. On all S24 models, Nightography gets a massive upgrade for brighter low-light shots and videos, even from a distance. And new stabilization techniques like enhanced gyro readings reduce blur while recording videos on the move. AI editing tools make touch-ups a breeze, with features like auto-selection of perfect edits and generative fill for AI-read backgrounds. Speaking of backgrounds, you'll be blown away by the generative editing abilities of the S24. Need to move an object slightly? No problem. Use generative AI to blend a new background seamlessly into the space. Or, if your shot is crooked, it can recreate the missing areas to leave you with a flawless horizon. The possibilities for enhanced creativity are truly endless. But these groundbreaking experiences demand ultra-powerful performance. That's where the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and new active cooling system come in. The S24 Ultra runs cooler and SUST AI, gains higher speeds for longer through an optimized vapor chamber nearly twice the size of previous models. Graphics and gaming get a massive upgrade too, with desktop-level ray tracing and optimizations for top mobile titles. Pay IR that with an adaptive 120Hz display that reaches an incredible 2,600 nits of brightness, and you've got smoother than ever visuals indoors and out. The screens also feature new Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, plus for increased durability, day, eye wear and tear. The wider aspect ratio allows for more content without increasing the phone sizes. Of course, Along with revolutionary experiences comes enhanced security and user privacy. Samsung continues raising the bar with defenses like Knox Vault and new passkey login options for safer passwordless access. Your data is also more protected than ever with end-to-end encryption of backups, access recovery options, and granular controls over the online processing of user data through the Advanced Intelligence menu. Samsung also leads sustainability efforts by directly incorporating more recycled materials into components. For the first time, recycled cobalt is used in batteries and rare earth elements are reused in speakers. The packaging is fully recycled as well. The S24s also bring 7 generations of OS updates and extended security patch support for a significantly longer lifespan. Those are some of the groundbreaking in-store experiences on the Galaxy S24 series. The entire lineup features impressive craftsmanship too. The S24 Ultra stands out with its titanium frame and slimmer ergonomic design. Earth-inspired color options join striking hues like titanium violet and yellow. The Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra pre-orders open on January 31st. Those who reserve through major carriers can score additional bundles like a Galaxy Tab S9 FE tablet for just $99. Official availability starts February 14th. And that's a wrap, folks. If this video left you grinning from ear to ear, hit a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our tech-loving family. And hey, sharing is caring. Spread the techie goodness with your friends and watch their jaws drop. We will see you soon.